If you are selling products online across multiple marketplaces, you have probably experienced the pain of managing your inventory, orders, and other data separately for each platform. And you are not alone here. I was in the same boat when I started my business. I was like, how I can manage everything because it was very time consuming. And that's why I came to know about multi-channel software. I tried a few different ones, but Linux was the most effective for my business. So what I'm gonna do today, I'll share my experience with Linux and give you a quick overview of how I use it to manage my 8-figure business. So I have been selling products on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, and so on. Now, keeping track of the inventory across these multiple platforms is very challenging for me. I might need to go with spreadsheet and manual updates, but it will be a huge headache for me. With Linnworks, it's easy to manage. So here you can see the inventory dashboard of Linnworks, and these are all of my listings from all the marketplaces in one place. I can search item in need from here by SKU, title or barcode, and also by category. I can also see my stock levels for each marketplace. Now let's say when someone buys my items on Amazon, Linux automatically updates the stock on all the platforms, which saves me times to update it manually. So order management with Linux is super easy. Like here we have by default all the orders from different marketplaces and then ready to process orders. Unpaid orders, your out of stocks items. Also, if I set a threshold, what Linux will do, it will alert me when my stock will be low. And here you can see processed order as well. After that, we have new orders here, and from here you can just select your orders, and from action we have lots of option here. You can choose whichever you want, like you can change the shipping service or print a shipping label, invoice, pcop, and so on. And in processed orders, we have the details of all the processed orders. We have 220 orders. So from here you can check your orders date wise. Also you can filter them by marketplace. Next, let's talk about warehouse management. Linux is a G2 leader in this space, and it can help you fulfill order faster, improve inventory accuracy, and connect with over 85 shipping integrations. Linux also offers advanced functionality for managing bin rack locations. With warehouse management, you can book SKUs into bin rack locations in batches. To take full advantage of warehouse management, you need to have bin rack locations set up in your warehouse. Alright, next up is multi-channel listings. This feature lets you connect and integrate with various e-commerce platforms and marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, Shopify, and more. In the setting, you can set up configurators. This configurator lets you set some common details for listings like type of items, return options, payment policy, shipping policy, and other details. You can set up configurator for different marketplaces. Using a configurator make it easy to create multiple listings with similar details. When you list an item, you can just apply the configurator and the common details will be automatically generated for all the listings. You can also import and export data. To import data, you just need to set a name and type, then browse for your file and upload it. When it comes to shipping management, Linux automate orders routing and help you find the lowest cost shipping service from major carriers like UPS, DHL, FedEx, and many more. I have used this courier service, and if you want, you can add new courier from here. Also, with Linux, you don't need to do any more guessworks. By using stock forecasting, Linux ensure you have never overstock or facing stockouts. So you can easily know exactly how much inventory you need and when you need it to meet your customer demand. Last but not the least, you can contact with Linux customer support team. This live chat feature is really amazing. Uh, you can contact with them via instant messaging for any kind of information you need or confusion you have. Now there are so many things that you might have issued with, like how to integrate different marketplaces, how to do one-click management with Linux, things about invoices, rules engine, shipping setting, and a lot more. In our upcoming videos, we are going to cover all the important points of Linux. just to help you run your business smoothly. Because we are sellers friends. Our mission is to help seller and we want to be the most seller selling company in the world to help e-commerce sellers do better, which is why we are giving out all of our content for free. If you want to hire us to help you, you can book a same day free appointment with us. We are an e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. We have more than 300 e-commerce experts who are helping businesses all over the world. We would love to help you and work for you as well. But if you have any confusion, drop them in the comment below or you can mail us at info@ecomclips.com. That's all in our quick overview today. Thanks for tuning in and we will catch you in the next one.